How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can turn up the volume on an MSI monitor. So obviously the first thing that you want to do is to just head over to your desktop. From here, you'll want to browse through the toolbar right here and then click on the sound icon or the volume icon. Click on this select sound output, and there's going to be the MSI monitor right here. So you just want to simply press on the model that you were using. In my case, I have the 24E3. And then simply right after that, you then want to make sure that the volume slider is turned up and not muted. So you also want to click on this volume icon. And then after making sure that we have enabled the audio onto our windows, let's now head over to the OSD setting. So it's going to be this specific setting right here for our monitors. You want to simply press the joystick right behind the monitor itself or under it, depending on the model that you are using, and this window will show up. This is the MSI OSD setting or the on-screen display setting. From there, you just want to navigate through something like setting, which is going to be similar to this one, and in this specific model, it's going to be right here. And there's going to be the sound audio option. So just click on it, make sure it's not muted and the volume slider is turned up. And from there, you should be good to go. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.